In the evolving theatre of modern warfare, adaptability is not a feature, it's survival. Emerging from that crucible is the SIG Sauer MCX Virtus, a modern weapon of choice, built not for limitations but for limitless missions. Let's break it down. First, weight in its standard patrol configuration with a 229 mm barrel. The MCEX Virtus weighs approximately 2.61 kilograms, compact when you need it, balanced when you demand control. Next, effective range chambered in 5.56 by 45 mm NATO. Its effective reach extends out to 503 meters, designed to engage threats with pinpoint accuracy across open terrain. Muzzle velocity with standard 5.56 NATO rounds, muzzle velocity rockets to 3,000 feet per second speed that makes distance meaningless, bullets that arrive before the sound of the shot. Now, the Picatinny rail forged for versatility. The MCX Virtus features full-length Picatinny rails, top, sides and bottom, allowing you to mount optics, lasers, grips or lights. Dominate the battlefield with precision gear. Barrel. In its patrol model, you get a 406 mm cold hammer forged barrel with a 1.7 twist, providing both ruggedness and accuracy. Changeable in seconds for mission flexibility. Rate of fire powered by a gas-operated short-stroke piston system and a rotating bolt, the MCX Virtus delivers a blazing cyclic rate of 800-900 rounds per minute, every shot deliberate, every moment lethal. And finally, the magazine it feeds from a 30-round Stanag-compatible magazine, reliable, swift to swap, and battle-proven. In the hands of operators who demand modularity, speed, and precision, the SIG Sauer MCX Virtus is not just a rifle, it's a mission-critical platform. It does more than adapt, it dominates. This is the MCX Virtus, engineered for the unpredictable, mastered by the elite. This is Jonathan Walters, and you've been watching Uncover History. Stay tuned for more hard-hitting defense analysis, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.